Okay, this is the Sotelo job, number 53054. Installed on July 6th by Stetson. Okay, we are switching out a 80% furnace with another 80% furnace. And switching out the coil air conditioner and adding a return. Okay, so duct work just as it shows. And cut line right there. On the return, I have a cut line right there. So you do have that wood in the back, so you're going to be going back 4 inches, so you're going to have to remove that piece of wood all the way back. But furnace will sit in the same place as the duct, and actually sit a 1/2 inch forward. But the back will be flat, and it's going to sit on a base, 20 by 25 filter box, and it's going to be 5 inches wide. That'll bring us to the water heater, and just straight duct all the way up here to a starting collar. Okay, the return air we're going to add. We're going to cut it. I made this new piece of duct right here U-shape, so you can cut a piece of duct in the back of it, and this sheetrock's not screwed in behind the furnace, so screw that into the wall and tap a tap in to get both joist spaces there, and put a 30 by 6 flat grill low behind the TV. Just keep in mind you have all these plugs here, so should be able to go under it, but there's going to be lots of wires in the wall right there. So anyway, okay, so on your combustion air is okay right here, and label it. Your flue right here, you're just going to undo this and reuse as much of this stuff as you can, but this needs to be on this side of the gas line. So just undo it and put it back together here. I gave you plenty of parts to do whatever you want there, but just reuse what we can. I figure we'll probably just take it apart at the slip there. Okay. So with the gas. So gas, gonna use existing caulk, add I believe a 6-inch nipple and a flex, and put the T on this side with a drip leg and 12-inch into the furnace. Reuse the existing switch. And let's see what else. Drain, just standard order, just to the floor there. And thermostat, the scope says let the salesman know how many wires we have so he can order a thermostat for it. So I will do that. We have 4 wires to our thermostat, and I'm not sure what thermostat we're putting on yet. Whether or not we have to pull a new wire, depending on what the salesman wants to do there. Okay, so on the air conditioner, I'm going to flush the lines, and let's go out and take a look at that. So the existing breaker is a 30 amp home line right there, but we'll just leave that and we'll add a 20 amp outside, because we're going to have to put in a new disconnect and relocate it. Okay. So this is the AC. they have a plastic pad poured inside the cement. Our new AC is going to be bigger than this pad, so I'm giving you a 36 by 36 pad, and in hopes you can just set it right on top of this pad. If you get the condensing unit and these legs fit, our new legs fit on that pad and it looks good, then just credit back the pad. Anyway, so our disconnect is blocking the unit right now, so we'll have an electrician come over and move this disconnect, putting a 2x4 weather box here with the flat cover and just moving it over to here, so we have clearance in front of our disconnect. And when he does that, I'll just add the 20 amp breaker inside the new disconnect. Okay, and I believe that's about it.